Welcome back, everyone. This week we're making some roasted cauliflower, cheese, and pepperoni bites. So as you can see, we've got some shredded mozzarella, some pepperoni slices, and some leftover roasted cauliflower. And we're going to use this silicone mini muffin mold to make our bites. Start by preheating our oven to 350 degrees. Now your oven may be different, so make sure you set it to somewhere around there. We just need to melt the cheese. So we'll get started by adding our pepperoni bites or pepperoni slices into the bottom of the mini muffin tray here. We're going to make 12 today. Okay, so we've got our pepperoni slices pressed into the bottom of the tray here. So now we're going to add our roasted cauliflower. Put a little bite into each cup. So there we go. The roasted cauliflower is great because it has a nice nutty flavor. So I thought it'd be good to add to these bites. So now we're going to cover each one with some shredded mozzarella cheese here. You can use any kind of cheese that you like, whatever melts best, whatever flavor you like best. Just cover it up. Okay, so for a little extra kick of flavor, we're going to add some Frank's Red Hot to a few of these. Not going to do it to all of them, but you can add any kind of hot sauce that you like, or not add it at all, or add some jalapenos or olives or any kind of thing, other things you want to this. So we'll put it into the oven. That wound up taking about 15-20 minutes to fully melt the cheese. Basically, you're just looking for the cheese to be fully melted. And then we'll pull them out of the oven, and then we're going to let them sit and cool for 5 or 10 minutes just to let the cheese set up a little bit before we start taking them out of the tray. Okay, so here's our finished cheesy cauliflower and pepperoni bites. We'll pull them out. Now I'm going to set them on a paper towel first because the pepperoni slices have a lot of grease in them, so we're trying to get rid of some of that. So we'll pull them out and get all the grease off of them, and then we'll give it a try and see how they turned out. Okay, so here's our 12 cauliflower, cheese, and pepperoni bites. Really tastes good. Again, I love roasted cauliflower, and of course cheese and pepperoni go well together too. So let me know what you think in the comments down below, and we'll see you next week. Keep on thriving, my friends.